Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here. I've finished another journal. I had this journal semi-finished, but I've been adding bits and pieces to it and then finally got the front cover done, and it's been listed on Etsy. It's been up there for maybe a week and maybe 2 weeks, something like that. My fault, I haven't gotten around to doing this video, but I am here now and would like to share it with you. So there's the back spine, the back of it, and it's got this lovely lacy little closure and it's nice and chunky. I think it's one of the things I did is I just could not stop adding to it, which is what I do. So lovely corner protectors, and this is a faux leather. So going to the inside, I've got a little faux leather pocket, a little book, and then start paging. Lots of pockets and sleeves and journaling cards, more pockets, some art journal pages, more pockets with little goodies, some 3D elements, some of my own little pieces of art, little bits and pieces that I created, more of my art journaling, some collage work with some fabric tags, and a little slip in there, little clip, more of my doodle art, collage art, more collage art, more tucks, places that you can hide little bits and pieces. I just love all the laciness of this, not laziness, laciness. More of my collage art, and quite a bit of my I dyed a lot of these papers myself. So this is some eco-dyed paper, more of my art, just a lot of little bits and pieces. This is a little unique. The hole goes all the way through, and so you can open it up and have a little secret pocket in there. So lots of little bits and pieces, pockets, writing space, little side pockets, fabric pockets. I feel like I'm saying pocket a lot, but there are lots. I think I counted, what did I count? 33, something like that. A lot more of my collage and coffee stain art, a tri pocket here. All of these are hand drawn. So a lot of original art in here. This is one of the, what do they call these? I always forget what you call it, but more writing space. There, I'll come back and close that up later. More original art. All these fabric pieces, book pages. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a little window pocket in there. A little tag. More writing space. Oh, that's kind of cute. I know, oopsie, I know I did a video, YouTube video early on when I first started my videos. This is tea bags that I collaged on or decoupaged on, and it's actually really easy to write on, which is really nice. More belly band and some more writing space there. Let's go. I did a video on this and I forget exactly what I called it, but it was an art journal type video, and it's just a diamond shape. I called it a diamond shape. More of this lovely texture. More belly bands, with large journaling cards. This one's been sewn on. Can you see the sew marks there? There we go. I think this journal became chunky because of the pockets. Just lots and lots of little added bits and pieces. I love these little ones that you can make into a journaling card by putting lines on. This was a little fun addition. I just thought, because there was some space here between the signatures, I thought, oh, that might be nice to put a little something extra in. So we've got this large butterfly, which becomes a little mini journal on its own. More of that diamond type. Oh, and then a little belly on this side. Well, actually, no, it's more of a pocket, but more of this diamond type art journaling. Pocket. This is tea bags, actually, that I then went and stamped on. So much fun to do. It's got such a lovely texture to it, and lots of writing space in the middle. More of that tea bag stamping pocket. Lots of little affirmations, lots of lace, lots of fabric, lots of texture, and then the back page with another faux pocket, faux leather pocket, and lots of these little journaling spots, and one of my collage goodies, papers at the back, and again to the end. So just a nice chunky little journal. That doesn't sound right, chunky and little together, but a really lovely journal to collect all your memories in. I hope that this is maybe some of the pages you found inspirational, that maybe you can go off and do some of your own journaling. But this particular journal is currently on Etsy, and I will put the link in the description below. I do all the free shipping with all my orders, so just something to note. Well, thank you very much for sticking around all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I will see you next time. Bye.